Hello students. Let's go through this topic. Introduction. Why do we need excretion? Students, first ask yourself, what happens if we keep producing waste inside our body but never remove it? Obviously, it would poison the system. So, the purpose of the excretory system is to remove harmful metabolic wastes, especially nitrogen-containing wastes like ammonia, urea, and uric acid. These are byproducts mainly from protein metabolism. Depending on the animal's habitat and water availability, the type of nitrogenous waste differs. Aquatic animals usually excrete ammonia. We call them ammonotelic. Terrestrial animals like us excrete urea, ureotelic. Birds and reptiles excrete uric acid, uricotelic. Remember this for exams. The type of nitrogenous waste depends on the habitat and the need to conserve water. Types of excretory organs in animals. Different animals have evolved various structures for excretion. Protonephridia, found in flatworms like planaria. Nephridia, in annelids like earthworms. Malpighian tubules, insects like grasshopper. Green glands, seen in crustaceans. Kidneys, seen in vertebrates, including humans. Each of these is suited to their environment. But our focus is on human excretory system, which is quite sophisticated. Human excretory system, structure overview. So, what are the organs involved in excretion in humans? There are four main parts. Kidneys filter the blood and produce urine. Ureters, tubes that carry urine from kidney to bladder. Urinary bladder, stores urine. Urethra, passes urine out of the body. The functional unit of the kidney is called the nephron. Let's break this down. Each nephron has two main parts. Glomerulus, a tuft of capillaries where blood filtration happens. Renal tubule, begins with Bowman's capsule, followed by proximal convoluted tubule, PCT. Henle's loop, descending and ascending limbs. Distal convoluted tubule, DCT. Collecting duct, receives filtrate from many nephrons and sends urine to the renal pelvis. The combination of glomerulus and Bowman's capsule is called the renal corpuscle or Malpighian body. Urine formation, the core function. Let's understand how urine is formed. It has three steps. Filtration, reabsorption, secretion. Filtration occurs in the glomerulus. It's a non-selective process driven by blood pressure. Around 1200 milliliters of blood is filtered per minute. This forms 125 milliliters of filtrate per minute, known as GFR, glomerular filtration rate. The most important point here is, JGA, juxtaglomerular apparatus, plays a key role in regulating this GFR. Reabsorption happens mostly in the PCT. About 99% of the filtrate is reabsorbed. Useful substances like glucose, amino acids, and ions are taken back into the blood. Henle's loop creates an osmolarity gradient in the kidney interstitium from 300 to 1200 millismoles per liter, which is crucial for water conservation. Secretion is the process where additional waste substances like H+ ions, K+ ions, and ammonia are secreted into the tubule to maintain pH and ionic balance. Counter-current mechanism, a smart trick. Here's a question. How does the kidney concentrate urine without using energy directly? It uses a counter-current mechanism between the two limbs of Henle's loop and the vasa recta. This creates a concentration gradient in the medulla, helping water to move out from the collecting duct. This process is aided by a hormone called vasopressin or ADH, antidiuretic hormone, which increases water reabsorption, especially when we're dehydrated. Micturition, the final step. This is the process of urinating. Controlled by micturition reflex, a neural mechanism. Bladder stretches, brain gets the signal, and we feel the urge to urinate. On average, an adult excretes 1 to 1.5 liters of urine per day. Urine composition: 95% water, 5% solids, mainly urea, 25 to 30 grams day. Also contains sodium, potassium, calcium, phosphate, uric acid, and sometimes glucose or ketone bodies. Clinical application: presence of glucose, glycosuria, or ketone bodies, ketonuria, indicates diabetes mellitus. Other organs also help in excretion. Even though kidneys are the main organs, others help too. Lungs remove CO and water vapor. Liver removes bilirubin, biliverdin, cholesterol, and detoxified drugs via bile. Skin removes wastes like salts and water through sweat. Also helps in thermoregulation. To summarize simply, kidneys filter blood and form urine. Nephrons do the actual job: filtration, reabsorption, secretion. Water balance is maintained by vasopressin and the counter-current system. Micturition is a reflex action. Urine analysis helps diagnose many diseases. Other organs like lungs, liver, and skin also contribute to excretion. Thank you, students. Revise these concepts well, especially the nephron structure and the steps of urine formation. We'll see you in the next video with another important topic. Until then, take care and keep learning.